Now we will see what you will be learning from our training program. First, you will be learning different vulnerabilities which are in network and network devices and systems, and you will also learn misconfiguration, weak authentication, and many more vulnerabilities and threats in the network. And you will also learn different tools which are industry used nowadays, and these are specific to different phases we have looked into earlier. Like for network analysis we have Wireshark, for scanning we have Nmap, for assessment we have Nessus, Qualys, and so on, and for exploitation we have Metasploit and many more. So we will be learning these tools as well in this particular training program. Now we will see what the training program consists of. So we call it Cyber Fusion because it's a fusion of different domains in the cybersecurity. We have three phases or three categories we cover. One is basic, which is covering fundamental network or cybersecurity concepts. Then we have advanced phase, which covers network security and different phases of network security. Then we have specialization, which is specialized in network VAPT. Now we'll mainly focus on the network VAPT part. In advanced modules, we will look into network VAPT specifically, and we'll look into different modules in advanced category. First, you'll be learning networking fundamentals and basics of networking. Then the introduction to network security will be there. Here you will be learning network security, network VAPT, different phases in that, and many more. Next will be advanced network security, where you'll be learning about network traffic analysis and different automated scanners. And at the end of this particular module, you'll be learning network scanning, and we'll be covering network scanning using Nmap and some advanced scanning techniques. As per specialization, we have live sessions here, and we cover different phases, okay, or different categories here as well. First will be penetration testing frameworks and techniques. In this particular category, we'll be learning about different tools and different attacks and how we can perform in network VAPT. Next, we have service specific penetration testing. We'll be targeting different services in the network devices and network security, and focus on how we can test different vulnerabilities and different attacks in them. Also, the later part will be network infrastructure penetration testing, where we'll be covering different devices in the network like router, switch, firewall, and many more. And at the end, we have wireless penetration testing, where we'll learn about wireless network security. So these are the different modules we cover in network security, and you'll be learning what network security is and how you can improve your skill as a network penetration tester. Thank you.